Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys 4 super cute top wear for the season that are very perfect, great for the rainy seasons. They are going to prevent you from getting all soaked up in the water, and I mean, if you get drenched, you're gonna get soaked up nonetheless. No clothing can help that. But otherwise, this is not something you sweat too much in, or just something that gets very soaky even if the little bit of water drips on it. So they are all perfect for the rainy season, and they are all under 1,000 rupees. So great price range as well. So if you guys are interested, this is the video for you. And if you like my videos in general, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And yeah, let's get into the video. Starting off with this graphic t-shirt. I love this t-shirt so much. I love graphic t-shirts to begin with, but recently I haven't been buying any because, well, I'm a grown up now. But as soon as I saw this one, I knew I needed it. I love the black and the beige color combo. I love the Isro and the embroidery in blue all around it. The blue and orange stars and semicircles are all embroidery, and there is also a little detailing at the end of the t-shirt and has longitudes and latitudes in it. It's made up of 100% cotton, so it's very comfortable, airy and breathable, very soft and smooth, and not itchy at all. I got it in a size small from the men's section, and it fits me perfectly. The length of the sleeves, the length of the entire t-shirt is just perfect. It is a bit high price, but that's how all Soul Store stuff are. But I'm still going to keep this one. Next up is this beautiful maroon t-shirt. I love baby tees, but they are not very office appropriate, which is why I haven't been getting them a lot recently. But this one is made up of thick cotton, so it has a structure of its own. And even though it's ribbed and bodycon, it doesn't hug you in a way that looks explosive. That looks bad if you get it in just one size larger than your size. So I got this one in a size large, and it fits me really perfectly. I love the detailing it has on the bust. It's very comfortable, airy and breathable, very soft and smooth, not itchy at all, even though it might be a little hot for the summers due to its thickness. It is a little bit extra priced, but I'm still going to keep this one because I really love it. Next up is this beautiful waistcoat from Max. I have been wanting a tiny little cropped waistcoat for a long time now, but this one was only available in size medium, and so I got it because medium usually fits me. But with this one, it fits me perfectly everywhere but on my bust. It is super duper tight up there. I can't even breathe when I wear it. So I'm going to have to get this one in a size larger. I love its structure. I can wear it as is, or I can style it on top of shirts. The buttons look amazing. There is also a little belt on the back which I can use to tighten it around my waist. It's made up of polyviscose, and it's very comfortable, airy and breathable, not itchy at all. It's also very soft and smooth and feels comfy on my skin. At the price range, it's a really good waistcoat. I really wish this was available on my size. Next up is this cute little floral top. Tops like this are usually not my style. I don't have anything like this on my wardrobe because this is basically not something I wear. But look at how cute this top is, and I know a lot of you wear it, so I just wanted to show you guys an option. The sleeves are balloon sleeves, and they are super cute. They come with hooks in the middle part of the front of the top, and there are little frills and ruffles at the end and around the neck. I love the print as well. It is made up of polyester though, and it's not the most comfortable, even though it's not itchy or anything. I don't really like the feel of it on my skin, so I will be returning this one. I got it in a size medium, and it fits me perfectly. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and benefited from it. If you have any other video suggestions or requests, comment that down below and I'll try to make a video on that, and I will see you guys in my next. Till then, take care. Bye bye.